Hi, this is Cody with GC Handrail once again, and we have some exciting new products that we are going to be offering, and I'm pretty excited about them. One is our black cable option. So instead of the stainless steel cable like we normally do on our rail systems, we offer an option to do black cable. So you can see, and pretty soon we'll change out this display to have black cable so you can see it a little bit better, but we're just excited about it. So this is the black cable. It's really cool. It's a baked on finish. It's good for interior, exterior, so it's definitely a great option. If you're looking for that, some people like the stainless steel look, some people don't. So the other thing to go along with our black cable that we're doing is we normally give you stainless steel screws like this for the to anchor the post down. Now we have a little screw cap that goes on there that covers those if you want to have something a little bit different. So there's the screw cap when it's on. Very nice. The other thing, with all of our cable rails now, we're going to be offering these little vinyl covers to go over these swaged on ends, and they just slip right over there. Nice option to cover those up. So that's the new options that we have here at GC Handrail.